Good morning, change. Today, day 3, committing to my change, turning it into a habit. So if you look at the change diagram, it starts off with a reminder or a trigger. So what is my trigger or my reminder for change? Well, that's quite simple. My trigger and my reminder for change is my phone. It lies right next to me. I got into a habit of posting every day. So once I decided to make a change of my posts, my trigger became quite simple and easy. What's your trigger? What's your reminder? Remember, it can be anything. Comment, don't comment, but always remember, be great, stay awesome, and change.